Yeah, all right, guys, you're welcome to the 28th question of this very challenge. And we are still solving problems on differentiation. So I'm very sure by now you're already building confidence on solving problems on differentiation, right? So let us see how we can solve this very problem. We've done something similar to this in the previous video. So if you just see this video, if you just stumble on this video, this will not be a very good place to start. I'll advise you to go watch the previous ones and before you come back to this one. But of course, how we do this stuff here, we're going to make things as easy as possible. So I'm still going to do the things basic here, so it doesn't really matter. But for more simplicity, I'll advise you to go watch the previous video. So now let's get started. We have question 28. We are given that y is equal to 2x plus 2 to the power 3, and we want to differentiate this function. Very clear, y is expressed in the terms of x, so we are going to differentiate y with respect to x. Very clear. But now, how do we differentiate this function? Is there a rule we need to apply? Yes, we are going to apply chain rule because we have a power expression. Whenever you have this kind of power expression like this, all you need to do is to apply chain rule. And how do you apply chain rule? I'm going to show you that in a moment, but let me show you stuff like this. If you have y is equal to x to the power 3, how would you differentiate this function? You will say the y dx is equal to the 3 will multiply the base, so you have 3x. You remove 1 from 3, you have 2, right? You've differentiated. Now, I want you to see 2x plus 2 as a variable like x, okay? Just see it like x for the time being. Just see it as x. So now let's differentiate now. So that means this 3 is going to multiply this guy. So we have 3 into 2x plus 2, right? Then the next thing we're going to do is to remove 1 from the power, and we have 2. But that's not all, because this is not just the variable, okay? So now the next thing we need to do is to differentiate these guys. I mean the 2x plus 2, we need to differentiate it. So when you differentiate 2x, what do you get? You get 2. When you differentiate 2, you get 0. 2 is a constant, so when you differentiate a constant, you get 0. So the only surviving term here when you differentiate 2x plus 2 is just 2. So the 2 we've got will multiply it to this result. So 3 times 2 is 6, right? It's 6. So you have 6 into 2x plus 2 to the power 2. And if you look out for the answer, that is option A, right? That is option A. So that is your final answer. So let me know how easy this stuff was for you. And if you still have doubt, if you still have question, put it down in the comment section. I'll try as much as I can to reach out to you. So all the best and God bless you. Bye for now.